10 Tips for Canada Digital Nomad. 1. Maple money streams, harvesting online income across Canada. 2. Rocky Mountain remote work, scaling peaks while you earn. 3. Toronto trading triumph, financial markets for nomadic success. 4. Vancouver virtual ventures, coastal creativity, global games. 5. Montreal freelance fiesta, cultivating clients from anywhere. 6. Calgary cash flow quest, online income in the cowtown. 7. Prairie profit pathways, Saskatchewan's digital nomad guide. 8. Halifax hustle harbor, navigating online business by the sea. 9. Ottawa e-commerce odyssey, capitalize your online store. 10. Niagara nomad networking, bridging income streams in Ontario. Click the link in our bio and follow us to stay updated.